support below the market, which we talked about before, was $65 on 65.20, 65 something on WTI, and it broke that. But it that support went back at least 4 years. The fact that it broke it, and the fact that it broke it with or because of the Trump tariffs, just made it basically explode to the downside once that happened. That's the first point. So I think, lower. I don't think anything saves the markets, and I think it's way too early. Markets already pricing in a 100% probability of a June cut from the Fed and a 1% cut by the end of the year. So I don't think you're going to look at this market making like a V-shaped recovery, Trump coming up saying, only kidding, and everything goes back up. So no, I really don't think so. The other thing to understand is with tariffs, and it's not about so much. I mean, if you think about it, compliance is to do with the fact that the US is running a deficit because the US exports dollars and exports debt for goods and services, right? Mainly goods. So there is no balancing that. You can make more goods in the States, but then people have got to start working in factories in the States. So I really don't see that happening. The second point is, what happens to that lack of dollar exports? Lack of dollar exports, reduces debt, but also reduces the power of the US dollar and all this kind of stuff.